Hello students, welcome to grammar class. In this video, we'll see about noun phrase. First, we'll see what is a phrase. A phrase is a group of two or more words without a finite verb. It is a part of a sentence and makes sense but not complete sense. Now we'll see what is a noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words made up of a noun and its modifiers. Example, the tall building, that grey car, my loving mother. In all these phrases, we see that the noun is modified by a determiner and an adjective to make the noun more specific or clearer. Determiners. Determiners are the words that introduce a noun and provide some information about it. A and the are articles. The tree is a noun phrase. This, these, that, those are demonstratives. This car is a noun phrase. My, our, your, his, her, its, their, etc. are possessives. My father is a noun phrase. Some, any, few, little, more, much, many, every are quantifiers. Some men is a noun phrase. 1, 2, 3 and so on are cardinal numbers. 3 pens is a noun phrase. First, second, third are ordinal numbers. The first floor is a noun phrase. A group of words which functions like a noun in a sentence is called a noun phrase. A noun phrase is a part of a sentence and can function as a subject, an object, a subject complement, an object complement, and a prepositional complement. Now we'll see example. Some young people is a noun phrase. The old man built the garden wall. Here, the old man is a noun phrase. In the other examples, the noun phrase functions as an object. They built the tall tower. Here, the tall tower is a noun phrase. James made this beautiful painting. Here, this beautiful painting is a noun phrase and it functions as an object. Next, we'll see about subject complement. Here in these sentences, the noun phrase functions as a subject complement. Example, Jason is an excellent cricketer. Here, an excellent cricketer is a subject complement. It describes about the subject. Einstein is a famous scientist. Here, a famous scientist is a noun phrase. It describes about the subject, so it is called a subject complement. In the following examples, the noun phrase functions as an object complement. Example, I consider Tommy my favorite dog. Here, Tommy is an object. My favorite dog is a noun phrase. Father called Ajay a sincere man. Here, Ajay is an object. A sincere man is a noun phrase. Now, we'll see the noun phrase functioning as a prepositional complement. Example, the children are sitting quietly in the class. Here, in is a preposition. The class is a noun phrase. They carried the child across the pool. Here, across is a preposition. The pool is a noun phrase. A prepositional complement follows a preposition and completes it. A noun phrase answers the questions what, who, and whom. So, if you ask a question what, then whatever answer you get is a noun phrase. Here, Alok has composed a new song. What has Alok composed? The answer is a new song. So, it is a noun phrase. Mother made this new sweater. What did mother make? The answer is this new sweater. So, it's a noun phrase. The holiday homework is based on experiments. What is based on experiments? The answer is the holiday homework. So it is a noun phrase. If you get the answer for the question who, then it is a noun phrase. The little girl has won the trophy. Who has won the trophy? The answer is the little girl. So it is a noun phrase. Neeraj's mother made a cake. Who made a cake? The answer is Neeraj's mother. So it's a noun phrase. My neighbor Gupta bought a mini laptop. Who bought a mini laptop? The answer is my neighbor Gupta. So it's a noun phrase. In some sentences, you may find more than one noun phrases. In these examples, if you ask one more question, what has the little girl won? The answer is the trophy. So, the trophy is also a noun phrase. The next question is, what did Neeraj's mother make? The answer is a cake. So, a cake is a noun phrase. Then the next one, what did my neighbor Gupta buy? The answer is a mini laptop. So, a mini laptop is also a noun phrase. So, in these sentences, you find that there are two noun phrases. If we get the answer for the question whom, then it's a noun phrase. Example, Uncle carried the brave little boy. Whom did uncle carry? The answer is the brave little boy. So it is a noun phrase. She trains her little children. Whom does she train? The answer is her little children. So her little children is a noun phrase here. Dad advised his frightened daughter. Whom did dad advise? The answer is his frightened daughter. So his frightened daughter is a noun phrase here. In the next video, we'll see about adjective phrase. Thanks for watching.